Bottom funnel campaigns are basically the campaigns everyone thinks about when you talk about search marketing, right? Like searching for products or services if you're not in e-commerce. I mean, I don't do that, but for the most part, e-commerce bottom funnel terms are basically the names of the products. These are the ones with the highest purchase intent. It's if you're a skincare brand, it's your moisturizers. If you're a furniture brand, it's coffee tables, it's couches. If you're selling supplements, it's your glucosamine, it's your this, it's your that, it's your names of your products, your the type of product it is. If it's a pre-workout or a protein powder, it's basically what is your product and what would someone search when they're looking to buy something. And the really key factor here is that it has immediate purchase intent. People are searching for this stuff because they want to buy something. Now, the easiest way to understand if your keyword is a bottom funnel keyword is to use Google. So I'm actually going to take some of these keywords in here and just start Googling them. But basically, what you're looking for is, do the shopping ads show up? So if you see shopping ads, this usually means that this is a product for that people are trying to purchase, right? Google is very, very good at understanding intent behind a search. This is what they do. Their whole business model is based on giving you the best search results so you keep using the search engine. If you keep using the search engine, people click the ads. That's how Google makes their money. So, they're in the business of trying to consistently improve this and make better results all the time that are more personalized. And I'll go into that in search engine marketing principles. But basically, the best thing you can do as a search engine marketer is start to think about reverse engineering the search results. So your bottom funnel terms will always have products. Now, in contrast, like a top of funnel one, like if I just search, for example, like what's my horoscope, right? Like now this is where search marketing is very interesting because it's not like other forms of advertising where you're trying to like catch someone's attention and bring them in. Like people aren't sitting ducks on search, they're looking for something. They are actively looking for something that they want. They have something in their head that they're looking for. So if you just take something like daily horoscope and take that and put an ad on it, send it right to a product page, it's clever. It's a good idea. A lot of people always suggest like testing stuff like this, but there's not even a single search ad here. There's no search ads, there's no shopping ads. Like these aren't monetized keywords. You're just going to spend a lot of money. It's going to be really crap CPCs and it's not going to work. Top of funnel, these are top of funnel keywords. There's a totally different strategy for these. I'm going to talk about them in the next video. But basically, bottom funnel is your keywords that have purchase intent. How do you know if there's purchase intent? Just Google them. If you see shopping ads, it's probably the best sign that these keywords have purchase intent behind them. That's how this works. Search another one, Gemini jewelry, boom. And look, this is all relevant. This is the same thing that we're selling on Zodiac Collective, but I mean, like, you see some of these are freaking expensive, like a $1,600 necklace for some Zodiac stuff. So that's where, like, again, search network for a product that's essentially a commodity, and especially like a drop shipping product that's just anyone can sell. Paid social is how you sell this kind of stuff. It's really not on search. I mean, you could see that in my results of 0.18 after 350 in spend. This is not where you promote this stuff. You kind of treat Google as retargeting for stores like this. Skincare brands, jewelry brands, like all that kind of stuff. CPG, like no one's gonna search for your special popcorn or candy or whatever if they've never seen it before. They can't search for something that they don't know they have no idea exists. So bottom funnel, it's your product terms. It really is really only effective if people know who you are. The exceptions are like home decor type of niches like furniture where, it's more about the specs in that instance, right? Like furniture is all about, does it fit in my space? Do I like the color? Can I afford it? This is not really about the brand. Paid social is where you connect with people and build brands for these kinds of products. So anyway, so that's bottom funnel, and the structure we've talked about this a lot in other videos in the course, but just to hone in on it again, you want to create thematic ad groups here. Themed ad groups with keywords that match the ad copy, that match the landing pages. So this way you get relevant, you get relevant customer experience, basically. You want the user to search for cancer type of jewelry and go to the cancer page because they saw the cancer ad. All the breast cancer terms that we were looking at in the other one screwed up the relevance in the targeting here, and it was no good, so we had to exclude those. So this is all really important stuff to think about. But bottom funnel is basically higher intent terms that aren't your brand terms.